Mustafa. I work at Ryte, which is based in Munich, Germany, and I am a senior data engineer. When I joined the company before, the company I'm working for now, my first task was to set up DBT, and I had no idea what DBT was. And I had to learn about it and use it from scratch and then teach it to the people at the company. And I really loved the product. I liked it so much that to me now it feels like an essential component in the stack of any data engineering setup at any company. When I joined Ryte, I was tasked with renovating the whole infrastructure of data engineering. And this is when I introduced DBT to the company. After that, I trained the BI team to use it. And now they love it so much, they're even adding new features to it that I didn't know existed back then. They're using the later updates, applying new custom tests and more, and they really love it and use it every day. We use DBT for managing all the transformations that happen in the data warehouse. So once the raw data goes in, everything else that happens to the data inside the data warehouse is managed by DBT. All the steps of transformation, all the testing, the documentation, the scheduling of the transformation process. One of the great things about DBT is the lineage that it manages automatically. Before DBT, I had to manually set the order. So table A, then B, then C. But with DBT, the order of the tables is managed automatically, which is magic, and it saves us a lot of time every day. So DBT helps us answer very important questions like what are the sources of the data for reports. For example, when I wanted to introduce a new table or drop a table, I didn't know which tables relied on it, and it could take me sometimes hours to figure this out. Now within 20-30 seconds or even less, I just open the documentation, look at the parents or the children, and it's done. So this saves me a lot of time when I want to introduce a new table or drop a new table. It also shows me which end products or reports will be affected if the data is changed in one of the source tables. DBT made it possible to introduce the data warehouse to new stakeholders in the company, also non-business teams. Because now that we have the DBT documentation, which is super easy, it's as easy to use as Google. So you can just type in whatever you're looking for and you get a bunch of results, and then you're good to go. You can explore the whole data warehouse even better than me sitting with you and explaining what we have. It's kind of like doing public relations for our data warehouse within the company, so I find that great. My absolute favorite thing, if I'm gonna put it in one sentence, DBT automates everything that can be automated to the max in ways I didn't even think of before. Automatically deciding the order of the tables to refresh, this is amazing. The documentation it provides, it's super easy to write. The data lineage graph, I never even thought it can be done that easily and that automatically. I literally do nothing. I just throw in a few files and voila, you get the whole documentation out there. Those options made my life as a data engineer much easier every day. The things around DBT can change, but DBT stays a core component in the stack.